Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial on extending your project in Logic. We have this little ringtone project in front of us that I created earlier. As you can see, there are 3 tracks. 2 were played in using MIDI instruments, and 1 was a sample that was dragged in. Have a listen. It doesn't sound like much, but it can be better, and we want to extend what we do using automation and send effects. Automation is a way in which you can have Logic Pro do certain things automatically. We are going to automate 2 things today. Volume, in other words, how loud or soft a particular track is, and we are going to automate panning, the left and right of the sounds. How do you do automation? Take your mouse pointer up to the automation sign and click. This enables automation mode. Please make sure that you have your yellow markers showing in every track, meaning that automation will run in every track. By default, Logic has set it up to have volume as a parameter. You can see there are loads of different things that you could automate. We are particularly interested in volume. To have our first track fade in, we will have to make a number of edits to the track. There's a grayed out line on your track that indicates the track's current volume. If you click on it, you are enabling automation on the track. Now we can create points on this track which we can manipulate. By double clicking, you can create a new point. Once you've created the point, you are able to move this up or down. Up for louder and down for quieter. We want to fade in, so we have to start at a low volume and rise like that. We can do this with all our tracks. As you can see, I've changed all 3 tracks' volume automation. Have a listen. This particular example might not be very effective for a ringtone, but you get the idea. We can also automate a second parameter known as panning. Panning is left and right of a particular sound on a particular channel. To control this, you need to move your mouse to where it says volume currently, and we're going to pick a different state. We're going to pick pan to automate. If you click, it changes, and you can see that there's the grayed out line again. So same steps as with volume automation. Click on the line to enable it. Once it's enabled, you can create dots, points that you can manipulate. Clicking and moving up moves it towards the left ear. Clicking and dragging down moves it towards the right ear. There you go. I've automated pan on all 3 tracks. Please remember that this is an extreme example and perhaps not suitable to what we're working with at the moment. Have a listen. Did you hear how the different sounds moved left and right? That's because of our panning automation. It's your turn. Go and extend your project using automation. Have fun.